Hello, my name is James Decca, and my GIS project is on Trinity River change detection. This slide consists of the change detection final raster for Lab 7. This short PowerPoint will walk us through how I layered various change detections. Most of the areas of change are caused by a variety of factors, including logging, vegetation regrowth, urban development, fire, and shadowing. This is Trinity River Valley in 2002, shown as a color composition from Landsat 7 imagery. Healthy vegetation is dark red, bare earth is cyan, and urban areas are a mix of cyan and white. This causes urban and bare ground to frequently get confused in land cover classifications. You can see this in the center of the slide areas of cyan that represent logging, and areas to the left that are lighter red that show vegetation regrowth from previous logging. This is the same area in 2019 on Landsat 8 imagery. The image quality is better, and you can see the different cyan patches throughout the image due to logging. But much of the bare earth in the top center has regrown new vegetation. The river shows in dark blue, but is too narrow to accurately classify on Landsat imagery. Land cover classification breaks down the features in three classes, showing forest, /vegetation, bare earth, and developed areas. By simplifying the color scheme and variety, it is easier to depict areas of change. You can see the various patches of bare earth in 2019, clearly due to the effects of logging in the area. The increase in the upper left corner was due to a fire in 2017. Many of the areas that changed were from forest to barren or bare ground, or vice versa. These changes were highlighted as well as areas that were classified differently between urban and barren/bare ground classes on the two images. The Landsat 8 image seemed to do better in the overall classification of urban areas. Water was difficult to classify in both images since there is only a small river that caused numerous erroneous classifications throughout both images, so I removed the water class altogether.